back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking the first drive in a GTO after installing the rear cradle bushings, the axle stubs, and the 390 gears. If you haven't got a chance to look at the video of me changing the axle stubs or installing the rear cradle bushings, go check that out at the end of this video. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving an update on the CTSV project. So stick around and let's go for this ride. Okay, you just saw the video of me driving my car and it ran real good. What I noticed is the bushings, the rear cradle bushings, kind of stiffened the car up. So going in curbs and stuff like that, the car just felt a lot more solid and it just felt a lot better. And of course with the 390 gears, and my tune was, my car was tuned for the 390 gears. So therefore with the gears in there, it didn't buck at all when I was coming to a stop and before it shifted and everything. So overall the riding experience was great, and that's what I kind of expected. So towards the end of the video, after the drive, you saw we had the CTSV loaded up on the trailer, and we had that loaded up on the trailer because it's going to get finished, pretty much finished. It's going to get wired up and everything. So that car is going to be gone for about probably 2 to 3 months. And so I won't have any content with it for 2 to 3 months. We won't see it for another 2 to 3 months. So while that car is going to be gone, I needed another project to work on. So right over here in the background, you see I have an engine. So I'm going to tell you in another video what my plans are with that engine. It's a 5.3 liter, and I'm gonna, just like I said, I'm gonna go over my plans with this engine and what I'm gonna do with this engine in another video. So just check out the other video, and you'll see my plans on this engine. I just needed something to do while the CTSV is gone. So, and the GTO is good to go from driving it. So again, thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you haven't, and join me to see what I'm gonna do with this 5.3 here, and check out the rest of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.